Hi everyone, I have a quick question for you. Did you know that I used to build custom homes? I did. I owned Fountain Homes and I built custom and spec homes for 12 years. I still have my Class A contractor license and I have a great story to tell you. So I own a few rental properties and in one of my rentals the heat went out. So today I went over and had 3 estimates to have the heat repaired. First person came over, replaced the whole system, we can't fix it, we can't get parts, $13,000. Second contractor came over, we can't fix it, we have to replace the whole system, estimate of $25,000. Third person came over because now I have questions, right? Red flags, questions going on. Third person came over, very trusted reputation. I knew he would be honest with me. Guess what he did? He fixed it. $300 later, my heating system is fixed and we are good to go. That's the value in having a real estate agent that knows the right questions to ask, the right people to call, and how to get the job done to save you the most money and get your home sold or purchased in the condition that it should be for the best price possible. Give us a call, the Bales team.